Hi, welcome back again. We'll learn how to edit audio in this video. To edit audio, we will use Audacity, which is a free software. We will use two steps. We will use noise reduction and normalize the waveform, the audio waveform. Then we will take the same audio, export it to Camtasia. Then we will use noise removal and volume leveling. Then if we still have some noise, we will do some tweaks and remove the noise completely from the audio. I record my audio using my phone, and I'm using Apple iPhone 6. And there is a neat software that I use called Voice Record Pro. There are two versions, one free version and paid version. So this is the paid version, Voice Record Pro 7. I'm not promoting the software, but actually it has many features that you can use. This is the software that I'm using, Voice Record Pro. Some of the features are that you can post to YouTube directly. You can use Wi-Fi to download the files to your computer, and you can even export to G drive, and many other features. You can also convert from MP4 to MP3. So I'm not using a very expensive mic. All I'm using is my phone and this software. Let me open Audacity. Then go to File, Import, Audio, and this is the file that I need to work on. Let's take a look at the file. Let me expand this a little bit. This is the x-axis, which represents the frequency. This is the Y or vertical axis, which represents the volume. So higher the volume is, the louder the voice is. Let me listen to my audio. Now, there are a few things that I wanted to touch on regarding remove a color. I hear noise in the background. Let me zoom on the file, zoom in. Let me zoom in a little bit more. See, the line here is not a straight line, it's a rough line. It's not a smooth line. So let me hear what's going on here. See, this level, the level of noise is very high. To remove the noise, I will do the following. First of all, let me select the whole file, then go to Effects. First of all, I will use the Normalize step. I remove the DC offset. I will center the file on the 0 vertical axis. If I have some offset from the 0 vertical axis, this step will make sure that the audio file is right on the 0 axis and symmetrical from up and down. Press OK. Then I will select a sample of the noise, then go to Effects, Noise Reduction. I will just get the profile of the noise. Let me keep these parameters at 12 dB, sensitivity is 6, frequency smoothing is 3, and I will make sure that the reduce radio button is chosen. Let me get the noise profile. Press here. Then I will select the whole file, go to Effects, Noise Reduction, and I will press OK. Let's listen now. I still have, it's reduced, but I still have some. Let me select another area. I could use the same area of the noise. Listen to it. Yeah, there is still some noise here. Go back to Effects again, Noise Reduction, get Noise Profile, then select the whole file, select all, then I go to Effects, Noise Reduction, press OK. Let's reduce a little further. Let me check. See, there is almost no noise. Last step is to select the whole file, then go to Effects, go back to Normalize, and normalize maximum amplitude to 0. So I have something. This will normalize the file, but the maximum should be only 1 or 0 dB. Let me press OK. But let me watch the levels here, see what happens after pressing OK. See the level is a little up. This is the hand clap, it's at 1. Next step is to export the audio. Let me export it as wave. Keep it on my desktop. I will call it Demo 1. Save and OK. Let's listen to the first file. Notice the rough line here, which indicates noise. There is one more thing. Now, there are a few things that I wanted to touch on regarding remove a color. So I will go to my media bin. I have shot this video long time ago, and I will show you something about it. Listen to the second file here and notice the smoother, which means that the noise has been reduced. There is one more thing. Now, there are a few things that I wanted to touch on regarding remove a color. So I will go to my media bin. After this, I will open Camtasia and go to my media bin, import media, get the file which is called Demo 1. This is my file. I will drag and drop my file here to work on it. Place it here at the playhead. Now, this is my file. This is the hand clap. Okay, I will go to Audio Effects, Noise Removal. Let me zoom in. Then volume leveling. See, the level of the volume is the same. Let me listen to the audio. There is a spike here, which is the click on the mouse. Let me highlight it like this. Yeah, it's a spike. This spike is just the mouse click. Let me right click here and silence audio. This is how you take care of your audio.